There's the Lord Rick and the Paranormal Ghost Society. This is the Great Wall. It was made by Chinese immigrants who came here to work on the Transcontinental Railroad. And you can see it's pretty, the scenery here is pretty rugged. It's all volcanic peaks. And you have more of the wall here. And then awesome views of Donner Lake behind the trees. This is the road less traveled, you know. This is what it's about, man. I love it. If you don't love this, you got a problem. Because hiking up here is another world in itself. And I think people will have a greater respect for organization when they see all the work that we put into this.